Welcome to French with FoTI. My name is Mellisa. Welcome to Lesson 2. If you've not checked out Lesson 1, kindly go do so that we can move together. And today's lesson, we are learning about pronunciation in French. First of all, there are 6 vowels in French. And the vowels are yes, in our last lesson we learned how to pronounce this together with the alphabets. And we say this is A, O, E, O, U, Ash. Good job! And now we are going to look at how we pronounce these different vowels if we find them in a word, or rather if we find them together in a word. For example, if we find O and U together in a word, how are we going to pronounce them? And first of all, we look at, yes, this one is pronounced as yes, it's pronounced as U. Can I hear you say it? Good job. And an example, how do you pronounce the word? University. Can I say it again? University. It's your turn. Good job. And in English, the word is university. Another example. Can you see where the vowel is? Yes, that is sur. Can I hear you? Sur. Good job. Yes, and the word in English is on. On the table, on the chair, on the desk. Yes, that is the word. And next we look at this one is pronounced as U. Pronounced as U. Let us look at an example in a word. For example, poo. And in English, the word is fall. So this is poo. And another example is no. And in English, the word is will. Good job. The other one is this one, which is also pronounced the same as these two are pronounced as O. O. O of hope. In English, the same way we pronounce this O, is the same way we are going to pronounce this one. And for example, in a word. That is the word. Do you see where the O is? And the word is pronounced as rest of all. Can I hear you? Rest of all. Rest of all. Good job. And the word in English is restaurant. Another example, so that you can see the E in you. The word is boku. Do you see where it comes in? Boku. Can I hear you say it? Boku. And the word means many. Yes. And the next vowel is yes, and the next vowel is and this one, when you see it in a word, it is pronounced as A. An example is it comes in there and the word is pronounced as faith. Can I hear you? Faith. And this one in English is to do. And the next one is and it is pronounced as wa. Wa. OI is pronounced as wa. Wa of watu in Kiswahili. And an example of a word is more. More means me. In English, moi in English is me. And another example is voisin. Voisin. Do you see where the word is coming in? Voisin. And voisin in English is neighbor. I hope you're still clear up to that. And the next one is this one is pronounced as E in English. The E of ink. The same way we pronounce this E is the same way we pronounce UI in French. The E of ink in English. And an example of it in a word is Key. Key. Key in English is food. And the next one, and the last one is ash. When it comes in a word, it is most of the time silent. It is mostly silent. For example, we pronounce the word as hospital. In English, the word is hospital. Another word is and we pronounce it like hotel, and in English the word is hotel. Yes, thank you so much for being part of lesson 2. See you in lesson 3.